Alumier Everactive C&E. The vitamin C is in the top, little dropper bottle. Very, very simple how to use. I love this product. It is literally the best vitamin C product out there. Vitamin C doesn't get any fresher than this. So first thing I'll do is just take the wrapper off. So how it works is the vitamin C is inside that little bit there. As we close it, okay, I like to give it, you can hear it inside. Give it a little shake, tighten it up, push down, so it's gone down. Just allow it to fall in. One of the things we can do is I'll show you. Let it all fall out. And you can see it's fallen in there, which is fine. Take the dropper. And pop that in. Once that's in, shake it up. And then you will have super, super fresh vitamin C. For the skin. That's it.